Welcome to Weekly Market Roundup by Softlogic Stockbrokers Market Highlights. Weekly market turnover averaged up to 1.0 billion, reducing by -8% compared to last week, where daily turnover hovered around 1.1 billion. The top turnover generators were John Keel's Holdings, Expelanca Holdings, Sampath Bank, Nations Trust Bank, and Hatton National Bank. Local news. The CCPI inflation increased to 3.4% in November 2023, recording a significant growth as against 1.5% in October. The food deflation continued for the fifth consecutive month by recording -3.6%, however with a growth compared to -5.6% in October. The non-food inflation increased to 6.8% compared to 4.9% recorded in the previous month. Sri Lanka's external debt restructuring becomes positive, followed by Sri Lanka and the Paris Club reaching an agreement on the restructuring of USD 5.9 billion. The approval of the second tranche of USD 334 million under the extended fund facility by the IMF board is due on the 14th of December. November's tourist arrivals have improved, yet the current pace may fall short of the desired 200,000 milestone by month end. In the first 23 days of November, the country welcomed 117,597 tourists, which is nearly a 2 times growth compared to the same period last year. We expect the arrivals to further improve with all new initiatives taken alongside free visas to 7 key countries. The Board of Investment achieved a total investment of USD 1.8 billion, with FDI projects accounting for USD 1.5 billion. The significant increase, driven by substantial investments in the energy sector from companies like Adani Corporation, Sinopec, and RM Parks with Shell, reflects a remarkable 122% year-on-year growth in registered and approved FDI investment projects for 2023. Sri Lanka is set to establish several new FTAs following the successful conclusion with Singapore. Further, envisioning a South Asian network with India, Bangladesh, and Pakistan is in the plans while currently focusing on trade negotiations with the respective countries. Corporate news: Cargill's Bank Limited has announced plans for a listing on the Colombo Stock Exchange, where the share issue will be carried out by way of an offer for subscription on either main board or Diri Savvy board. The official opening will commence on the 14th of December 2023 with an offering of 62.5 million shares at a price of LKR 8 per share. Commercial Bank and AIA Insurance Lanka Limited have launched an exclusive long-term referral collaboration. This partnership is anticipated to offer value for commercial bank clients by giving them convenient access to a range of financial insurance products and services, while being mutually beneficial for both the parties. The Ceylon Tobacco Company has secured an 87-acre land on a 30-year long-term lease for a forest farming project in Ratnapura district. After assessing its viability and impact, the Tourism and Land Ministry ensured that the forest farming project aligns with sustainable land use practices. Browns Investments has formally established its presence in Kenya by acquiring James Finley's extensive tea plantations, spanning over 27,000 acres. The company's reputation for being one of the largest made tea-producing companies would get uplifted through this strategy while supporting Kenya's economy as a whole. Thank you for tuning in. Hope to see you in next week.